Hello everyone, welcome back. So we have completed till task 7. Now, before going further, as a developer, let me run the things. So npm run test. Does it have any test? Yes. So we have here the test, vtest run, okay? And it is running, and app error, HTTP error, all of the errors are tested. Perfect. These are the test files. Yep, test switch test file. Now I'm happy. Let's go to the next phase and run. By the way, what I can do like this one, so that it's the stage. That means I know so far so good. But for this case, I will do except edits on. Okay, let's do fast forward. I'll do the review properly with you, but for now I'll just doing the fast forwarding. It is creating the correlation ID, and now it wants to run the TSA. How about let's do this. Don't ask again for npx TSA. Do it by yourself. Let's do the full screen. Wow, task 8 done. Amazing. So it created the async handler, and it created the correlation ID. Super. By the way, I'm not explaining the code intentionally. I'm just repeating myself so that you don't get confused. We are here to see the agentic application development in action, not actually going deep with the syntax explanation. If you want, I can create a different series for that. So now it will implement the tests. So it's like in schema. Where? In the config. Where is the config? In here. Oh, this one. Get confirmed. Test fails. Cannot find module. 9 tests ready to implement. Where it did happen? Error.test. Or in here. Is it? Oh, this one. Sorry. This is the config test. It's inside of here. Okay. Nice. Yes. So it has implemented the end schema, and now it's testing. All good. So many files. No. Ready to commit all changes? No. Let's do the changes verified by ourselves. Auth, database, env schema, index, logger, queue, redis, env schema test. Async handler, correlation ID. The first thing here, we don't see any test for this one. I think that's not needed. And also for the correlation ID, I think that's also not needed. So let's unstage all of the changes and see ourselves. Auth config, database config, and schema index, just the default index my exporter. Logger, queue, Redis, this is the test. App constants, status, error contract, error implementation, error codes, HTTP errors. What's happening here? Yeah. Okay. Error test. Then we have common types, pagination, async handler, and the correlation ID. Now I have a question. Now here our development instinct kicks in. So I'm just setting the tone here that I will be asking questions here, and I'll just change the mode. Should we merge all different config files into one config? See, each of the file are tiny. Let's say. So in here, your development instinct kicks in, and you should discuss and try to mature the change set and focusing only on those. Here's the trade-off: keep separate, follows the plan, domain specific, scales better, common pattern. Merge into one, reduce file size, file count, simpler errors. All configuration given the starter template. To scale, keeping them separate is defensible. Okay, let's keep separate then. Next. Okay. Next question. Do I have any more questions? I don't think so. Oh yeah, like these two. Shouldn't we create tests for correlation and async handler? Okay, it replied, good catch. Let's plan. The plan didn't say there's testable. Forwards next. Option 1, add tests now before skip. Let's will it support? Let's be pragmatic and do the refactor phase now. Full stop. Even if it extends the original plan, I think the refactor phase will be better. I don't know what I'm saying. Let's bring it into the refactor. There's now unit it extends and or modifies the original plan. I think vector phase will be better addition the current implementation. Okay, so again let's do the all edits. And it wants to run the test. Okay, why are you rushing to commit? But I think it's good. Now let's kick in the open code. We have minimax here. Can you read the I'll do the review using the minimax. The task in hand. I'll do the stage in case open code starts to change everything. So I already implemented the tasks and enhanced couple of the steps. Can you review them? Should I pause it? I don't know. Let's pause it. So okay, it is now running the tests by itself, which is good. npxtsc, which is good. Minor observation: missing empty export to make it a module. Yes, fix it. So what did it do is, let's see. It exports here. Let's do the commit. We'll do the pull request and the other stuff in the next video. And we'll invoke the pull request reviewer in that video. I hope it will be awesome. Thanks for watching.